If this was all Sam was able to do for you, let's talk about what it could do. Well, at the very first, if we wanted to start building out resources in the conversion side, bringing leads into the door, right? Think about all the possibilities. We could, in the next 14 days over a free trial, or when we subscribe to Sam, we are a software as a service, so you can subscribe for monthly subscriptions. And you could start building out all of these different resources. When you build all these different resources, here's what I suggest doing. Take this resource, apply discernment, refine it, build it out, and then go and house it on your website. Now, my website is housed on a platform called ClickFunnels. And maybe you use Wix, maybe you use WordPress, but I would wager there is a way for you to gather lead information. And this could be done through a lead form, or it could be inherently in the system where you can gather lead information, you can trade them resources. This would be a great place for us to start building out these pieces of content, reviewing, tweaking, refining them, making sure that we are applying our own experience to this, and then putting it out there. Now, from there, all we need to do is start sending traffic to our website, and then those leads can start trading their information for these resources. What this is going to do is it's going to establish us as the expert. It's going to help answer all of their questions. And now we have a lead, which is awesome, right? So this is going to just already immediately help bring in leads, drive business, grow your business. And let's say we had to hire copywriters on the side. Now we don't have to hire those. Let's say we had to hire lead gen experts. Now we don't have to hire those. And we're already saving money. That's awesome, right?